Welcome back, students. We are dealing geometric progression. Previously I have done problems based on nth term formula, and right now we are doing SN formula based question models. So previously I have covered some models, you can check them also. And today's model is find the sum if S6 is to, there's a ratio given, S6 is to S5 is equal, S3 sorry is equals to 126 is to 1 and T4 is equals to 125. So this is given. Okay, so let's start solving. S6 by S3, according to formula, Sn is equals to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, considering R greater than 1. Okay, now how do you decide R value whether it is greater than 1 or not? Because we don't know both A value and R value. It's just that given it is T4 is equals to 125, correct? T4 stands for like Tn formula is A into R power n minus 1, isn't it? So according to that I can write A R power 4 minus 1, which will become A R power 3. That's all we have. Do we have A value? Do we have R value? We don't. By default we will consider this formula. Okay, so keeping a default condition, we will consider R being greater than 1 and consider this formula called Sn is equals to A bracket R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So what should be S6 now? A bracket R we don't know, 6 minus 1 by 6 minus, sorry, R minus 1, correct? So it will become A R power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. Yes or no? It's the same thing. So same way, similarly you can write S3 also. S3 will be A R power 3 minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. So S6 is this, S3 is this. So I'll write A R power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. This is full set of S6. And denominator A R power 3 minus 1 by R power 3 minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, this is denominator. What do you observe? You can cancel some things. Okay, A cancel. Also R minus 1 cancel. Does it have any power? Is it related to any power? No. So happily I can cancel off R minus 1. Okay, then what should be your final? S6 by S3 is equals to R power 6 minus 1 by R power 3 minus 1. Now listen to this very carefully. When you are dealing with ratios, you have to be very careful. Okay, and also it is equals to how much? 126 is to 1. So I'll write 126 by 1. Isn't it? Yes? All the three are same now. Correct? So here on I'll just move with these two. That is R power 6 minus 1 by R power 3 minus 1 is 126 by 1. How to solve this one? Now you'll stop here. Okay, so don't get stuck. Write this 1 as 1 power 6 and write this 1 here as 1 power 6. I'll use another color so that you can identify that change. Okay, let me use some other color. I am writing here wantedly 1 as 1 power 6 and here 1 as 1 power 3. R power 6 minus 1 power 6, R power 3 minus 1 power 3. Why am I doing this? That's because I want to match the power with this one, so that I can use a formula called, you remember, A power 3 minus B power 3 is equals to A minus B whole cube. Remember this formula? You can use this. Okay, so we have to write R power 6 minus 1 power 6 by R power 3 minus 1 power 3 is equals to 126 by 1. Once you finish this, why we are writing like this? That is because we can write, imagine this is formula like A power 2 minus B power 2. A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B. Can I write like this? I am talking about numerator part. When I have R power 6 minus 1 power 6, I can write R power 3 whole square minus 1 power 3 whole square. So I am going to write that. Okay. See here, I'm just writing this as implies r power 3 whole square minus 1 power 3, excuse me, 1 power 3 whole square by r power 3 minus 1 power. Do we touch the denominator? No, we don't touch denominator. We'll keep denominator as it is. Only the numerator will be changed so that I can use this for calculation, my further calculations. Okay. So what do you get? This one. R power 3 whole power 2 minus 1 power 3 whole power 2. Because r power 6 can be written as r cube whole square. You remember this one? A power m whole power n. Formula is a power mn. Power to the power. Power to the power. In exponents you must have seen this. So this is concept I am using now. Okay. So what will happen? R power 3 whole power 2 minus 1 power 3 whole power 2 by r power 3 minus 1 power 3 is equals to 126 by 1. I am rewriting. And if you see, in place of inside a value is how much here? Comparing that, a value is like r power 3 and b value is like 1 power 3. So I'll write this as a plus b once, a plus b once. I have to write a plus b. So I'll write r power 3 plus 1 power 3 once and r power 3 minus 1 power 3 again. R power 3 minus 1 power 3 is equals to 126 by 1. Did you understand? I wrote, see here, again I am explaining. I wrote r power 6. I actually have r power 6 minus 1, which I rewrote as r power 6 minus 1 power 6. Why am I doing this? Both in numerator and denominator I am changing the power of 1. Here in numerator I write it as power 6, here I write it as 3. Can we write like that? Only for 1 it is exception, because 1 power anything is 1. That's what. Okay. 1 power 6 is also 1. 1 power 3 also 1. Correct? And that's the reason I can change whichever power I need right now. Okay. So, and if you change like that, you can write this r power 6 as r power 3 whole square and 1 power 6 as 1 power 3 whole square, and we are not going to touch the denominator. Okay. And further what we are going to do is use this formula called a square minus b square. In algebraic identities you must have seen a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So right now I will write this part r power 6 minus 1 power 6 as this way and then further this way. How do I write without any confusion? Compare. Inside the bracket, outside is the power 2, correct? Inside what is there? A. So a is having the power 2. What is having the power 2 here? R power 3. So compare and write a is r power 3, b is 1 power 3. You can write this in the rough part so that there is no confusion for you. So a plus b, this is like a plus b, I'll write. See here, this is something like, this is like a plus b and a minus b form, correct? Once you finish writing this way, what you have to do? R power 3 plus 1 power 3, r power 3 minus 1 power 3 is, can you observe that r power 3 minus, I am not cancelling in the same step because this step need to be understood properly. So I am not touching this step, I am rewriting, and you understand that these two are cancelable, correct? Yes? So I can cancel these two completely. Yes, and you can write here this as is equals to 126 by 1. Okay. So r power 3 plus 1 power 3 is equals to 126 by 1. I can write 126 by 1 as 126 itself without writing 1. Okay. Right. R power 3 plus 1 power 3 is again 1, right? Is equals to, is equals to 126. So r power 3 is equals to 126 minus 1. R power 3 is 125. Understood till here? It's r power 3 is equals to 125. Then tell me, in terms of cube, this is 5 cube. Implies r is equals to 5. You got r value how much? 5. So he wants the GP, right? The GP will be written as, okay, let's see, GP will be written as AR square, AR power 3 and so on. What's my A value? Do you have A value? No. So you have to find the A value. Let us finish finding the A value now. How do you find A value? T4. See here in the question, in order to find A only, we have got another relation called T4 is equals to 125. Let me write this one. T4 is equals to 125. A into R power 4 minus 1 is equals to 125. Can I write like this? Yes. So, see there. A R power 3 is equals to 125. What was R power 3? By the way, 125. Or you can substitute R as 5 cube and get the value also. That's up to you. So A into 125 is equals to 125. So A will be 125 by 125. Then A will be 1. Some of you might have got confused. I'll explain again clearly. Understand this. Already the value of T4 is given as 125. We are not creating anything else. R value is 5 and T4 value is given as 125. Okay. So T4 is 125. A is what you have to find. I just substituted R value which I found, and then you can get the A value as 1. Clear? Once you get A value, it's just to write the GP now. Okay. Just to write GP, you will write A comma. A means 1. 1 into R is how much? 5 comma. 1 into R square means 5 square comma. 1 into 5 cube and so on. So 1 is 1, 5 ones are 5, and this will become 25, this will become 125, and so on is the required GP. This is how you conclude the question. Okay. Thank you.